Riuma ikirikari ya mbere ya thirikari ya Naikuru ria kuhe muingi uteithio wa irio ciumia nyinyi thutha wa gavana wa Naikuru kwanirira guthugundwo gwa kamiti ya mwanya ya guteithirira na gukurana aria marabatara uteithio uyu. Akiaria hindi ya uheani uyu, gavana Kinyanjui augite uteithio uyu wa mbere ugukorwo gikinyira andu aria mari na mawathe, arumuriri a ndini ya ithiramu, umwe na onjoria a mawira ma ugemu na uthaka.
I think the first one is our brothers and sisters from the Muslim faith who are in the month of Ramadan.
Kuhitukira utongoria wa mithigiti 24 thiini wa kaunti ya Naikuru, uteithio wa irio ugukorwo gikinyirio andu aria abataru makiria ndini ino ta njira ya kunyitanira na uhinda-ini riri mari mweri-ini wa Ramadan.
It would be very good agents to ensure that we capture the poor of the poor from the Muslim faith.
O family igukorwo ikiamukira indo cia bata cia mahuthiro micii-ini ta mutu, maguta, mucere o undu umwe na thabuni.
Being a center at the Red Cross where private citizens are free to come and donate, where corporates can also come and donate, but what we are giving today is what has been procured by the county, and so we have those both initiatives. What the corporates and Wanjiko are donating, we have a center where we are also redistributing that.
Kurumirira kuhingurwo kwa mawira ma ugemu, thirikari ya Naikuru ni iheanite irembeko na mathabuni ma gwithamba moko kuri onjoria mawira maya itemi-ini ria kugitira gutambio kwa homa ya COVID-19 mawira-ini maya.
Salons ambazo tutakuwa tukisaidia leo kwa sanitizers na mask na mambo kama hayo ni 2125 na itapitia the organization na wote wameweza kuorodheshwa Nakuru East and West.
Ni uteithio wa mukiritwo na njira nene riri gavana athiete na mbere na kuha muingi wa Naikuru thi na mbere na kurumirira mawatho ma thirikari.
Kama pia wadhamini wengine pia waweze kujitokeza, waweze kusaidia sisi. Tunaona sana walemavu wameumia zaidi kwa sababu hawezi kufanya kazi nyingine. Kuna wenye walikuwa wanafanya part town na walikuja wakaenda sehemu mbalimbali.
Inamaanisha sasa kazi tutapata kufanya vizuri bila uoga. Know that kuna kinga ya sanitizers, face mask. Sasa kazi tutapata kuwa mzuri na tutapata kufanya kazi vizuri bila hiyo uoga kama kitambo.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa nĩ Wang'ombe wa Maina.